Hello everyone, in this video we will continue our lessons of solving word problem. So the first word problem we are going to solve in this video is 6 times of a certain number is 16 more than twice the number, and we have to find the number. So we don't know which number we are talking about, so we just assume that that number is x. So the beginning of the statement says that 6 times of a certain number. If that certain number is x, so here it says that 6 times of x means 6 multiplying with the x. So 6 times of a certain number is 16 more, which means that it is equivalent to 16, and more means that it is adding 16 more than twice the number. So if the number is x, then 16 plus 2x. So this is how we have formed our equation, which is exactly according to the statement that 6 times of a certain number, 6x, is 16 more than twice the number, is equals to 16 plus 2x. Now, in order to solve it, we will take the unknown entities at one side and the other to the other side. Here we have x is unknown, so we take 2x to the left hand side and it becomes negative. So we have 6x minus 2x, and now it is equivalent to 16. As we know that 6x minus 2x is equals to 4. So we have 4x is equals to 16. Now, in order to further solve it, we will take this 4 to the other side, and here 4 is multiplying with the x. When it goes to the other side, it is going to divide it by 16, and we have our final answer is x is equals to 16 divided by 4, or x is equals to 4. So the number was 4. Now our next question is, the length of a rectangle is 5 meters more than its width, and the perimeter of the rectangle is 32 meters. Find the length and width of the rectangle. So here again, the length is unknown, but it is said that the length of a rectangle is 5 meters more than its width. So let's assume that width is equal to x, as we don't know the width as well, and length is equals to 5 meters more, means whatever the value of x plus 5. And we have a perimeter of a rectangle which is 32. And we have to find the length and width of the rectangle. Basically, the perimeter is the line, is the boundary line which is making a rectangle, and the formula of perimeter for rectangle is P is equivalent to 2 into length plus width. As we know that in rectangle, its two sides are equal, two opposite sides are equal. So here it is 2 into length plus width. Now we know the value of the P, which is 32, equals to 2. Length is x plus 5, and width is x. So we have 32. Now here 2 is multiplying with this whole factor. If we take it to the left hand side, it is going to divide it by 32. And now we have x plus 5 plus x, which is equivalent to 2x plus 5. Here we have 16, 32 divided by 2. And if you look at the equation, the 5 on the right hand side is with the positive sign. If we take it to the left hand side, it becomes negative. So we shift 5 here and we have left with only 2x at the right hand side. Now we have 11 and again we take 2 to the other side. So we have 11 over 2 is equals to x. And this is the value of width. So by putting this value of x in the L, we are going to find out the length. So length is equals to 11 divided by 2 plus 5. Here we are going to take the LCM and 5 is going to multiply with 11. As we know the rule of the LCM, we are going to just apply it here. 11 plus 10. It is 11 over 2 plus 5. So 2 will be in the denominator. 2 into 1 is 2. So 11 into 1 is 11 and 2 into 5 is 10. So 11 plus 10 is in the numerator and 2 is in the denominator. So we have 21 over 2. This is our answer. Now the next question is, the length of a rectangle is twice its width and the perimeter is 54 meter. And we have to find its length. So here length is equals to, so let's say we assume that width is equals to x, as we don't know the width, and length of a rectangle is twice its width. So length is equals to 2x as width is equals to x, and the perimeter is 54, and we have to find its length. We already know the formula of perimeter for triangle, rectangle, which is P is equals to L plus W, length plus width. Perimeter value is 54 is equals to 2. Length is 2x and width is x. Now 2 is going to divide with 54. So we have 27. 54 divided by 2 is equals to 2x plus x is now 3x. And now 27 is going to be divided by 3 is equals to x. So we have x is equals to 9. And the length is equals to 2x. So we have length is equals to 2 into 9 is 18. And this is our answer. Now our next question is, one number is bigger than the other number by 3 and the sum of these two numbers is 43. Find the number. So let's say one number is, let's say n1 is equals to x and the other number is, one number is bigger than the other number by 3. So n2 is bigger by 3. So it's 3 plus x. And the sum of these two numbers is 43. Means n1 plus n2 is equals to 43. And as we know that n1 is equals to x plus 3 plus x is equals to 43. So here we have 2x plus 3 is equals to 43. Now we have 2x is equals to 43 minus 3. As we take this 3 to the other side and its sign changes, so it becomes negative. Now we have 2x is equals to 40, or we have x is equals to 20, as 40 is going to be divided by 2. So if x is equals to 20 and x is equals to n1, then n2 is equals to x plus 3 and it is 20. n1 is equals to 20 and n2 is equals to 23. This is our answer of the required question. Now we have a next question, which is 3 times of a number gives you the same result as when 2 is subtracted from the number. And we have to find the number. 3 times of a number means then is 3 is multiplying with the number. Let's say the number is x. So 3 times of a number gives you the same result, which means that is equivalent when 2 is subtracted from the number. Means x, if x is the number, then 2 is subtracted from it, x minus 2. And we have to find the number. Here we have 3x, and this x is going to the other side, so it's become minus x, and we have left with x, 3x minus x is equals to minus 2. So here we have 3x minus x, which is equals to 2x is equals to minus 2. Now x is equals to minus 2 divided by 2, which is x is equals to minus 1. So the number is minus 1. If you put that number in the initial equation, 3 into minus 1 is minus 1 is equals to minus 1 minus 2 is equals to minus 3. So this number is satisfying our equation, and this is our required number. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.